Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Wednesday, 5th day of March. Here we go. One more halacha today about borer, selecting. It's one of the 39 works that you're not allowed to do on Shabbos. Again, I'll repeat that the main kind of idea in selecting is whenever you take out the bad from the good. Like, let's say you were looking at a batch of mixed nuts and you only wanted to eat cashews. You know, if you just saw a cashew and picked it out and ate it, that's fine. But if you felt like all the peanuts were in your way and you went through the whole mix and just threw all the peanuts to the side so that you can get to the cashews, that would be a classic example of borer. You're taking the bad away, all the peanuts, just so you could be left with cashews. You're not supposed to do that. Now, today's interesting halacha is that this also applies when putting out silverware on your table, because you could be doing some sorting and you're not supposed to. So first, the easy way. If you have the silverware organizer in your hands, like the thing that's holding all the spoons in the spoon tray and all the forks in the fork tray, etc., then you're wonderful. Then you can just take out all the spoons and put spoon, 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 spoon on each of the seats. That's totally allowed. Where it gets confusing is if you have a mumble jumble of all your silverware and you have it all, let's say, in your hands, all jumbled up, and you start now picking out all the spoons to put them in their places. Now you're sorting, and that's something that you're not supposed to be doing. They're all jumbled up in your hands, and you're sorting them by having spoon, 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 and that's what you're not allowed to do. That second form that I just told you is not allowed to be done is still allowed if it's the way you eat. In other words, if it's right before the meal, within kind of like a half hour to the meal, and you're setting up so that you can eat now and you need a spoon on each spot, then it's going to be considered allowed, because that's part of what you do when you eat. When you eat, you put out spoons on it, so then it would be considered okay. It's just like if 5 hours before the meal, you wanted to take the jumble and take out of the jumble spoon, 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 fork, 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 fork. That would be called just organizing, and it's not directly related to eating because it's several hours before the meal, and then it would be considered not allowed. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.